What's up guys, Cece here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode of In the Kitchen with Cece. On the menu today, we'll be cooking up some yummy broccoli bites. Yes, broccoli bites. This is a fun way to enjoy your broccoli. So let's get straight into the video. Let's get started. Okay guys, so all we need to make this dish is the broccoli, of course. We need 2 eggs. We need flour and some seasoning of your choice. I'm using salt, garlic powder, and Cajun seasoning. This is optional. I normally just use the garlic powder and the salt, but if I need a little spice, I'll add this and maybe some red pepper flakes. But let's get started. I'm going to clean my broccoli, wash it and cut it up, and then I'll be back to show you guys what I do. My broccoli is washed and cleaned. I already cut them up. We're going to season our flour. Because this is how we're adding flavor to the broccoli, to the flour. Okay. We're gonna cut the eggs. And beat the eggs. We have the oil heating on the stove, and the stove is on medium. We're coating the broccoli with the egg wash, then we're going to dip it in the flour and fry it. My hand is normally messy when I do this, but I'm going to try not to be messy.
Wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Make sure everything is covered. It's covered completely. Then we're just gonna add it to our pot. No, I have to use my hand. Trying not to be messy, but I don't want to splash the oil on me. Let's go in with our hands. I'm sorry guys, I gotta do it. Yes. You're getting a bit messy, but trust me, it's worth it. Okay, so by this time you could check to see if they need to flip. They're not quite ready. We're gonna give it a few more minutes. end of this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and get the chance to try out this recipe. If you do try this recipe, don't forget to tag us in your Instagram post. Mention down below some ways that you like to enjoy your broccoli. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yes, I'm